I'm Dennis with Dragon Group China, New York.
Hi, Ian from Dragon Group Manchester.
And we're here to show some features of the brand new Bird 8888.
The Bird machine comes with 4 interchangeable heads. And you've got this one which is fitted now, which is the hot air. And these easily just disconnect. That comes straight off. And then straight away you can swap for, you've got the tubes, infrared, standard infrared heater, which is the one most commonly used. And then you've got a larger ELSTEIN TS100, which is quite a powerful heater, good for PlayStation 3s and large chips. And these just go.
All parts easily interchangeable. Essentially what the system does is to eliminate the need to pick a certain type of machine, where we have 4 different options available for the heating source that you'd like to use. You know, a choice between hot air, a tube array, and infrared. First time available ever on the market, where all 4 different types of heaters can be used.
Yeah, it's got a nice universal jig as well, which just, you know, you can adjust that anyway now. Support clips. And it comes fitted with the Amiga TC, which is an external TC, which you can use. And then you've got a vacuum pump for removing the chips, which you'll see being worked on in videos.
And we'll get into just explaining the programmable display for your slopes in another video. But essentially, this is the new version of
You just get the chip in online, lined up. So we just reattached an Xbox 360 GPU back onto the board using the hot air attachment on the Bird 8888. So on the first part of the profile, we do actually start off quite slow on the top and let the bottom heaters crank up to get the board going, and then it'll go on to the next stage then. You can see it's on stage 3 now, going up. The chips are starting to drop, the balls are melting now.
Nice.
So what I'm going to actually do with this profile, I'm going to stop the profile early, because this is actually the profile I designed for a lead-free chip, so I'm stopping it on stage 4. I don't want it to get too hot. That's dropped in nicely. So I'll hit stop.
Could have manually stop it, right?
Yeah, no.
We're going to keep recording. We're going to take the board off the machine and test it all in one step. No cutting away from the video. Right now the cooling fan's running, cooling the board off. Ian just removed the thermal couplers, which are built in now.
So all these, I'll just keep checking it, and when it gets down to a reasonable temperature, then I'll test it.
Yeah.
So we don't know where to use. I'll just give it a little bit longer to cool down because it'll probably give 2 red lights. It's still a bit
Yeah.
low.
Just gonna keep the camera rolling. No cuts. We just want to prove that this is all done in one step. Here we go. There you have it.
Not bad for a first attempt on the
First try. Yeah.
bird 888 using the hot air attachment.
First attempt using, like you just said, the bird 8888 hot air attachment. The first try, we successful chip install.
Happy with that then.
Nice job.